How would you like to turn your ideas into stunning images? No camera or drawing skills needed. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva's text-to-image tool in Magic Media to create an amazing custom visual in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Of course, you'll need a Canva account to begin creating. If you need to create one, just go to canva.com and set up your free account. First, open Canva to the home page and start a new design. Click Design or Create at the top left side menu. On the left side menu, choose the type of presentation you want to create. Some of the options are education, docs, social media, and videos. For this presentation, I've chosen the custom template and filled in the size as a 720 by 720 pixel blank workspace. On the left side bar, scroll down and click Magic Media to go to the app. Next, describe your image. Type a description of the image you want to create, as clear and detailed as possible. In this example, I'm typing, I need a monarch butterfly sitting on a pink rose. Now here comes the magic. Click Generate Image. In a few seconds, Canva will create 4 options for you to choose from. And that's it. You just created a one-of-a-kind image with Canva's text-to-image tool. Watch for a minute as I drag each image onto a separate project page for inspection. I can't believe the quality of these images. How will I ever decide which one to use? You can resize, crop, add filters, adjust brightness, or even layer it with text and other elements. When you're finished, hit Share in the top corner and download your design. Now you've got a completely custom image ready to post or share. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more pro Canva tips. Don't forget to check the description for free resources related to this presentation and additional video links. Post a comment with your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. See you next time.